Wake up early. I wake up early every morning to exercise. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth after every meal. Take a shower. I like to take a shower before starting my day. Eat breakfast. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. Go to work. My dad goes to work at 9 a.m. Do the laundry. It's time to do the laundry. The basket is full. Make the bed. I always make the bed after waking up. Cook dinner. She is cooking dinner for her family tonight. Watch TV. I like to watch TV in the evenings after work. Ride a bike. He rides his bike to school every morning. Take a walk. I take a walk in the park every evening. Check your phone. She checks her phone for messages first thing in the morning. Read a book. I try to read a book before going to bed. Feed the pet. Don't forget to feed the cat before you leave. Drink water. It's important to drink water throughout the day. Do the dishes. She does the dishes right after dinner. Clean the house. We clean the house every Saturday. Go grocery shopping. I need to go grocery shopping to buy some vegetables. Drive a car. He drives a car to work every day. Go to sleep. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. to get enough rest.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.